And it's the Cavaliers to start out. Here's Mitchell.
That's a quick foul to pick up here in the opening quarter.
And he's knocked off course by the D. The foul called. He'll shoot free throws. And he knocks down the first one. And Mitchell drops them both. So it's Boston now. They set the pick. Holiday left side. Holiday left side. And the powerful one-handed slam. And so it's Cleveland with it. Pass to Mitchell. Releases. No good. Here's White. A finger roll finish at the bucket.
Not trying to rattle any rims or racks there. Just up and in with the finger roll.
Here's Mitchell. The 9-foot shot. Here's Allen. Uses the glass to finish the layup.
He got a great read of where that miss was going, and that allowed him to be the first guy to it and get the putback.
Pass to White. Beyond the arc. Count the bucket.
You might not think of him as a laser three-point shooter, but that shot was there for him, and he had to take it.
And stolen by White. Throws it up high. And so just over a minute and a half played. Knocked away. Six to shoot, and it's out of bounds. The Celtics will take it the other way.
Boy, did they ever make a mess out of that one. A terrible turnover.
Just about 2 minutes into the game. First quarter of basketball. Tatum. A rebound by Mitchell. Boston on D. It's a 5-point game. It's rebounded by Drew Holiday.
Terrific job that time defending at the rim. I mean, it's not an easy task stopping that fella when he's headed to the bucket like that. Good job.
And the basket good.
Excellent ball movement there, guys.
Number 10. And no good. The dry spell continuing for him. Pass to White. To the paint. It's tipped. Guys are looking for a spark here.
Yeah, I mean, a cold stretch offensively. They desperately need a basket.
McKinney. Here's Mitchell. Shoots a three. Can't get it to go.
Tell you what, boy, it's hard to watch when the guy gets good shots and misses them. He's missed everything this quarter.
And we're approaching about 3.5 minutes played in the first quarter. Horford in the post. Horford in the post. And that's going to be too many steps. Gets the whistle on the travel. The Cavaliers trailing. Pass to Mitchell from outside the arc. Once again off the mark by Cleveland.
It has not been an easy quarter for him, at least offensively speaking.
Tatum, and it's going to be 2 free throws. Drew contact on the shot. 0. And the first one drops. And that's good as he hits both of his shots. Got a piece of it. Stolen by Holiday. Tatum rips down the breakaway slam. Here's Mitchell. Tries to sap the cold streak, and he gets it to go. The first quarter concludes in a double-digit lead on the scoreboard. Well, not exactly a close game so far, but as the second quarter starts here, plenty of time for a comeback. And the Celtics, guys, what jumps out to you, stats-wise? And so it's Boston with it. Porzingis. Clock at 6. Tatum. Porzingis. So he gets the whistle. Contact on the way up and 2 shots coming up. First trip to the free throw line for him in this one. And he makes both free throws. And it's the Cavaliers with the ball. Down by 12. Knocks it loose. Pass to Mitchell. He tries for 3. Six on the shot clock. Now here's Thompson. Lays it up and banks it in. And we play just over a minute of basketball here in the second quarter. That savvy little up fake there, fooling the D.
That's exactly what they wanted to do. I mean, you'd like to see that every time down the floor.
Timeout called the Cavaliers. The Celtics making a switch here. Number 10. Pass to Thompson. And a foul called on the shot. Got him on the way up that time, so he'll shoot 2 right here.
You know, that's exactly right. And what also comes to mind with him is his persistence on the offensive boards. His second chance points always add up.
Second quarter of action, about a minute and a half played. Here's White. It's stolen by Jones. Here's Mitchell. Launches a 3, and that is good.
Beautiful feed off the bounce to his teammate there. Nicely done.
Here's White. Pass to Horford. Lets the 3 fly. Cavaliers with the rebound. And for those of you just joining us, we're almost 2.5 minutes into the second quarter. Mitchell's shot is good.
Still trailing, but their offense is off life support here in the second quarter. It's got a pulse.
Left side, Brown. Shot clock at 6. Tatum. The baseline jumper goes down. He's got 13.
He shot the ball exceptionally well as they've built this lead for themselves here.
Pass to Mitchell. Trying his luck deep. And it's out of bounds. The Celtics will take it the other way. Cavaliers making a switch here. There's a screen. Outside Holiday. Here's White. Porzingis. And he gets it to go. Pass to Matthew. The 3 cannot hit. 6 seconds separating the shot and game clocks. Here's White. Outside Holiday. Here's White. Tatum buries the long-range jumper. He's got 16. Matthews with it. To end the run. And that does it for the first half of play. Celtics out.